right, what's going on, everybody? So right now we got to talk about B3 Base. As you all know, literally the top gaming platform out there in all of crypto is on Base now. So this is actually pretty big. The video that I did before did really well. A lot of people are really looking forward to Base, continuing to grow inside of this crypto space, and it has grown a lot, and that's what we're going to be talking about today. Just within the past 2 weeks of it being launched, so much has happened. And yeah, it's been a crazy, crazy past few weeks for Base, or well, B3 and Base in general. But anyways, let's get straight into it. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice, but let's get straight into it. So as you can see right now, the current price for B3 is 0.0075. So fairly decent price. It launched at a low price, and now it's still, I would still say that it's at a low price. Like, this is still probably a good price to get in at. Now I do believe the price might go down a little bit more, but I think this is going to do extremely well inside of this market. So the gaming cryptos, for one, are doing very well this market, and then this is the top gaming crypto on Base. So also the Base projects are going to be doing really well too, because Base, this is the first time the Base blockchain has been live for a bull market, right? This is the first bull market for the Base blockchain. That is why I think this is going to be really, really big for anyone who's really big into Base, and anybody who's really big into gaming coins as well. But this is going to be a big bull market for Base, because you got to think about it. Coinbase is one of the largest exchanges, if not the largest exchange out there, next to Binance, and they have their own blockchain. So this is gonna probably end up getting a bunch of coins up to where Binance's market cap is. Imagine, like, just imagine what you could see with these different coins. So B3 could do extremely well. Base Brett can do extremely well. A lot of different coins built on Base Toshi, a lot of different coins. So, anyways, let's go over some other things here. Right now, the market cap is 157 million, decent market cap. Fully diluted value is actually really good, 741 million. And then the 24-hour trading volume is still high at $72 million. That's a high trading volume to have for such a new project. And it's been going strong this whole time. Literally, the trading volume has been going strong the whole entire time. And now it's just chilling at 72 million. So this is a really big deal. For people who don't think it's a big deal, it's a really, really, really big deal. And not only that, like, they've been growing their Twitter a lot. 216,000 followers already on Twitter. Like, they just been doing so much inside of the past few weeks. But anyways, over here they say all B3 game chains are built with Celestia underneath. So they're pretty much giving you an insight to how they're doing things here. But yeah, I think this is going to be really good. I think this is going to be really good. They're going to start partnering with a lot of the different companies here, as you can see. So a bunch of different good stuff is going to be going on with Base. And this is kind of crazy. Looking over here, a new soundtrack to Game 2, B3 Base soundtrack. That is something new. I haven't really seen a project do that. So that's pretty big. So yeah, a lot of good stuff is going on. And also another thing I definitely want to show you guys, the holders is absolutely crazy. Now, granted, if you think about it, when people are playing these games on B3, what they're going to be doing, they're probably going to be creating a wallet, maybe at $1 or $2 in there, get rewards, and they're going to get rewards in B3. So it's obvious that it would have a high holder count. A lot of these might not have that much money in it. Well, we can't say might not. It probably is like a definitely not, because you can actually see 157 million inside of market cap. Now, there is a lot in fully diluted value, but that's a lot of holders compared to the market cap. So yeah, as you can see, the holders at 749,673 holders. And just 2 weeks ago, on the 9th of February, we had 22 holders. Like 749,000 holders inside of 2 weeks. That's actually crazy. And there are a good amount of people who do have a good amount of money in here. As you can see, the rank 1,000th person has $311, which is not much. But yeah, it's still a decent amount. But just imagine B3 getting to $1, which would be like 21 billion inside of market cap, It is such a new project. I don't see it getting to 21 billion market cap anytime soon. It's way too new for all that. I don't see that happening in anytime soon. But imagine it did get to $1 like in the far future. You could actually turn $300 now into like 42,000. That would actually be crazy. But yeah, I don't see it doing 21 billion anytime soon right now because it's just way too new for that. So, but look at how fast the holders are moving. Look, we're at 749,673 holders, right? Remember that number, 749,673 holders. Hit the refresh button, and like I'm not even planning this. Like now we're at 750,392 holders. So from the start of this video, we almost got 1,000 holders just like that from the start of the video till now. That is extremely fast. So I don't know, maybe bots, maybe they got bots or something like that, or maybe people are just playing the game that much, and when they're getting rewards, they're just getting rewards like a couple dollars in B3, and then it makes a new wallet for them, which definitely counts as a new holder, and maybe they're getting like 30 cents for their rewards or something. But it cannot deny the fact that these holders are moving extremely fast. So I would definitely keep your eyes out for this because it's growing at a really, really fast pace, a really fast rate. So I would definitely say keep your eyes on this project. Now, as for the whole overall market, obviously, if Bitcoin starts going crazy, we're going to end up seeing B3 going crazy as well. Like B3 is already like, it's moving downwards. It's trying to find its base right now, no pun intended. But yeah, B3 is trying to find its base right now. It's trying to find a good average price point. This is pretty much like that was like price discovery up here, and now we're kind of doing support discovery, trying to discover where our support is. So I can't really do a sound technical analysis here because it hasn't been out for long enough for me to do it. All I did was take it from that very bottom back all the way back down here. And this is just the very bottom from when it was listed on to Coinbase till now. So that's all that's showing from Coinbase until now. And that's all it's showing. So it's still, it's still a little bit of a technical analysis. We can still do a little bit, right? From the swing low all the way up to the high, all the way up to the swing high up there. So, we can still track it a little bit. And if we're going to look at it from that perspective, we did just now break a support over here with that Fibonacci at about 0075. We did break that support. So now we're seeing that pullback. So, if you want to call that like a technical, I guess we can do that. And if we're going to play that game, then we also got to look at where was the level where we had resistance at and support at prior to this level. Well, prior to this, we've had support over here about 6 cents. Well, not 6 cents, 0.0067. So somewhere in this area right here, 0.0067, somewhere in this area, we're seeing support because that's where we had it before. That's where we had that resistance before. So, hypothetically speaking, we could be seeing some support inside of this area coming very soon, hypothetically speaking. So, I would definitely say this is probably a good area for you to watch out for. So, I'm going to keep my eyes out for this. If we do continue to pull back, that is probably going to be the most likely area that we would pull back to. So 0067 or 0066, either one that you want to say. But yeah, that's what I'm watching out for. Let me know what you guys think about that. And yeah, this is pretty much all I got for you all today. Definitely watch out for this project. I think it's going to be a really good pick for this bull run. Anyways, go ahead, hit the like button and subscribe. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Leave a comment in the comment section, all that good stuff. And as always, I'll be back with another video.